Make money by watching YouTube videos. How it works. Vivesta.com is one company of a kind that gives you the opportunity to make money by watching YouTube videos. Sounds quite unbelievable, but it's true. We actually pay people in cash to watch YouTube videos. There are so many people on YouTube who are struggling to grow their YouTube channels. They have done almost everything that YouTube recommends and still their videos are not getting views. YouTube platform is so crowded by new uploads every minute that getting your video recognition is almost impossible. This calls for a different tactic to get the YouTube views that they want. They need to buy YouTube views to get YouTube algorithm to recognize and promote their videos. If that sounds cool, please subscribe to this video and listen to the end of it. That's where Vivesta.com come in. These aspiring YouTubers come to Vivesta.com and ask us to help promote their videos. Vivesta.com as a reputable social media marketing company is happy to help. They offer to promote their videos for a small fee. On the other hand, they show their videos to millions of people around the world who watch their videos. That's where you get an opportunity to make money. You make money by watching these YouTube videos. When you watch their videos, they get their views and you get money for it. Simple, right? Vivesta.com is a marketing company that also provides opportunity for people to make money online. They provide social media users with the opportunity to increase engagement/views for their channels/content. This on the other hand creates the opportunity for you to earn money by watching/playing those videos. You will earn 4 cents for each and every YouTube video that you watch. The more videos you watch, the more money you make, as you get paid for each video independently. You can do this as part-time or full-time depending on your wish. We average that you can make between $20 to $55 a day. This is not a scam. How much money can I make watching YouTube videos? A lot. The more you watch, the more money you make. There is no limit to how many videos you can watch. Even if you want to spend all day every day watching, it's up to you. Each video has its own earnings. All video views don't pay the same money. Some views will earn you more money than others. However, we have tried to standardize our services so that there is a minimum amount of money you can make for every video view. For every YouTube video that you view, you can make a minimum of 4 cents. This is the least amount of money you can make for any video view. The amount of money that you can make on any video has no maximum limit. Some videos pay as much as $1 per view. It all depends on how much the YouTube advertiser is willing to pay you to watch their video. The more they are willing to pay, the more you can earn. Thus, on a good day, you can make a lot of money watching YouTube videos. So if you are ready to try this out, check it out in the link description below.